Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix data science projects with Kaggle, complete guide step by step clearly. First, identify the specific issues in your project. Analyze error messages, unexpected results, or model performance. Next, gather relevant resources from your Kaggle account. Explore Kaggle kernels for similar projects or datasets. Read through discussions in the Kaggle forums related to your issue. Now, download datasets that are essential for your project. Ensure you have the latest version of libraries and dependencies. Set up a local environment or utilize Kaggle's notebooks for ease. Begin by cleaning your data. Handle missing values appropriately, either by filling or removing them. Next, check for outliers and decide on a strategy to manage them. Now, focus on feature engineering. Create new features based on existing ones to enhance model performance. Transform categorical variables using one-hot encoding or label encoding. Split your dataset into training and testing sets. Ensure that your training set reflects the characteristics of your entire dataset. Now, select the right machine learning model for your task. Evaluate multiple algorithms to find the best fit. Train your model using the training data. Use cross-validation to ensure robustness. After training, evaluate your model on the test set. Examine metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. If performance is lacking, consider hyperparameter tuning. Use techniques like grid search or random search to optimize your model. Now, visualize your results to gain insights. Use plots to illustrate feature importance and model predictions. Gather feedback by sharing your project on Kaggle. Engage with the community to receive constructive critiques. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.